In this video, we will demonstrate schematic preference settings for navigation. Schematic preferences are system-specific settings which help you control the behavior and display of the schematic editor to suit your needs and working style. Let's have a look at some basic preferences you may want to change for the navigation. Let us first explore Design Insights. Open the Preferences and select System, and then Design Insight. Ensure the checkbox for Enable Connectivity Insight is checked. Within the Connectivity Insight Options section, ensure all options are enabled within the mouse hover column. Click OK to close the Preferences dialog. In the Projects panel, right-click on the Source Documents folder and select Open All Schematic Documents. Make the schematic your focus document. Then hover your mouse over a sheet symbol block. A large thumbnail of the document appears next to the cursor. Next, hover the cursor over the bus. The large thumbnail will appear next to the cursor, which shows the connections in the design. Below the thumbnail is a list of all the schematic sheets where the bus is present. Hovering over these listed schematic sheets changes the thumbnail view to match the schematic document that the cursor currently hovers over. Left-click the document from the pop-up Insight to open the schematic sheet. Notice that the wires or buses that connect to the sheet entry that the cursor was hovering over are now shown while the rest of the objects are dimmed. Press Shift-C on the keyboard or left-click anywhere in the design to clear any selection, highlights, or dimming. This is a great way to use Connectivity Insight to quickly navigate and explore connectivity throughout a schematic. Open the Preferences again and select Set to Default. Then, Default Page in the lower left corner of the Design Insight page to reset the default preferences. Click OK to exit the dialog. In this video, we explored schematic preference settings related to the navigation.